What animal is this?
Turtle.
Turtle. Very good. This one. The sheep says, ba. Very good. This one.
Ma.
The mouse says,
Squeak.
squeak, squeak. This one.
Cow.
The tiger say,
Wow.
roar. This one.
Nani.
Lion. The lion say,
Wow.
roar. This one.
Red.
Horse. This one.
Zebra.
Zebra. This one. Huh?
Crab.
Giraffe. This one. What? Fox. This one.
Sweat.
Swim, swim. Ano yan? Nagsuswim.
Sweat.
Fish. Next.
Wow.
Ano sabi ng frog? Jump like a froggy. Jump, jump, jump. Very good. This one.
Red.
Hmm? Elephant. Yan.
Ma.
Hupa, hupa. Ano yan? What's that? Hmm? Monkey. This one. Ito, ano to? Duck say, quack, quack. Ito? Ano sabi ng dog? Woof, woof. Ito? Ha? Crab? Anong sabi ng crab? Anong sabi ng crab? Nagda-dance yung crab. Okay. Ito. Hmm? Ahem. Ano yan? Moo. Cow. This is cat. Anong sabi ng cat? Anong sabi ng cat? Ha? Meow. Oh, next na. This one. What's this? Huh? What's that? Chicken. Ito, ano to? Alam mo to? This one, what's this? Shark. Ano sabi ng shark? Baby. Baby ano? Shark. Baby? Shark. This one. What's this? Whale. Ito? Ano sabi ng bunny? Hop, hop. Ito, bebe. What's this? Ano sabi ng bee? This. Very good. This one? Bear. Oh, last na. What's this? Uy. Last na, oh, favorite mo? Saan na? What's that? What's that? Sweet. Ano yan? What animal? Bird. Bird.